Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family. This is a cooking vlog. So today I'm making fried pork chops, and I just took all my pork chops out. I'm taking them out one by one and I'm placing them in this bowl. This is the bowl I'm going to rinse, and I'm rinsing them out. Now I'm rinsing them to get all, nice and clean and make sure that there are no germs or anything on it. And now I'm adding some Old Bay and garlic and herb seasoning to my flour mixture. I'm going to add some Saison orange coloring, and this will color your meats when you use this. I like to use that when frying pork chops and chicken. I'm using hot sauce as a marinade. It will make your chicken or your pork chops have an extra flavor as well as be crispy. So I'm going to use the hot sauce, and I'm using my hands to saturate all the hot sauce throughout the pork chops. I'm using my hands, and I'm just going to keep just saturating the pork chops with the hot sauce throughout all the pork chops. I'm going to do this throughout it so that I make sure that it reaches all the pork chops. Now I'm going to dip those pork chops in my flour mixture, each one by one, and then I'm going to pour my oil so that I can get it ready to put it on the fire on a medium to high, not too high because you don't want to overcook them. And you place them in the oil slowly. Do not throw your pork chops or any chicken or any meat inside the oil. You slowly place it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.